Hello! Welcome to Libra Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Ayan, pagpasensyahan mo na hindi ako nakapag-ayos ngayon kasi patulog na ako talaga. So, wala akong makeup. Kaya lang ako. Skincare ba? And, yan, nag-lip balm lang ang aking suot-suot ngayon. Kaya pagpasensyahan mo na. Hindi naman sa hindi ako nag-effort para sa inyo. Isiningit ko lang to reading. Anyway, hopefully makuha ko yung energy ninyo. Kung hindi ko makuha, okay lang yun. May mga next readings pa tayo. And if you don't want this kind of reading or if you don't like the way I read, okay lang yun. Pwede ka mag-next video. And please do comment down below. Sobrang ma-appreciate ko kahit heart-to-heart lang, smileys. Ang sasarap ng mga ngiti ninyo guys, ng mga comment niyo sa akin. Nakakapagpangiti yun sa akin talaga. Huwag lang negative kasi nakaka-stress. Ayoko magkaroon ng wrinkles ba. Kakaroon ako ng wrinkles eh. Anyway, what we have here for the sign of Libra. By the way, kung gusto mo i-check yung mga products namin, like mga crystal bracelets, evil eye, like yan yung nasa likod ko ngayon, feel free to check na lang yung aming TikTok. Unipre. Yan, dyan ako naglalagay ng mga products ko. Ayan, and all of the products are blessed and cleansed bago siya ipaship. Okay. 8 of Clover. This is your main energy. 5 of Clover. And the Queen of Clover, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. I like this. Kasi gumagawa ka ng mga changes ngayon sa buhay mo, sa bahay mo, or kung nasaan ka. You're making changes. Kahit yung iba sa sarili mo. Okay? Hindi ko lang gusto tong 5 of Hearts and the 3 of Spades because maybe some of you, hindi naman lahat, you're thinking about someone or something na nakakapagpalungkot sa'yo. And it could be a person na nakakonect mo, nakarelasyon mo in the past. Could be. Or kung wala namang relasyon, basta nakakonect mo lang. Gusto nga ngayon, ang focus mo is yung mga changes. And nakakita tayo dito ng, if you do have a person in the past na kakonect, tapos nalungkot ka or nasaktan ka doon sa connection niyo, nakakita tayo ng ibang option sa'yo eh. Kaya parang, hindi lang siya ang tao sa mundo. May iba pang willing makipag-connect sa'yo, kaya huwag ka na malungkot, diba? So, sino the person na kakonect mo pagdating sa love? Person that you're dealing with. Masyadong marami ito, hindi ko ito kukunin. Take only what resonates, guys. For the sign of Libra, wait lang. 2 of Spades. Ayan. What's with the 2 of Spades? 5 of Spades. Okay. And then, merong magkabungkol na mga cards na lumabas, which is 9, 7, 4. Ayan. 9, 7, and 4. 9 of Hearts, 7 of Clover, 4 of Spades. Tapos, ang lumabas dito is the 2 of Clover, the 2 of Spade and the 5 of Spade, and the 8 of Spade is here. Your person, yung kakonect mo could be someone who is stuck sa situation. The 2 of Spade, nakakita tayo dito ng parang kailangan gumawa ng desisyon nitong taong to with the 5 of Spade energy. Ito yung card, pero ibang deck yung nakikita ko, ibang card or ibang deck. Which is dun sa deck na yon. Ito playing cards kasi itong ginagamit ko. But, the deck na nakikita ko ngayon is yun yung picture niya is there's 5 swords tapos there's a snake na nagbabantay dun sa swords. So the way I say this, yung energy niya is that you could be dealing with a person who is currently nasa karmic connection or karmic relationship because the snake is showing to me is a karmic person. Ngayon, itong person na ito is kailangan niyang gumawa ng decision regarding that karmic person. 'Di ba? Kaya lang stuck siya eh. And the Four of Spade, nagpapakita ito sa akin as like, wala siyang magawa or wala siyang ginagawa because the Seven of Clover, I feel like siya naman ang may hawak ng direksyon ng buhay niya kung saan niya gusto pumunta or kung saan niya gustong dalahin ang relationship connection. Okay, nandito yung Nine of Hearts then which is lumabas yun sa bottom of the deck mo. Nakikita natin na parang yung direction or yung pagkagusto niya is nasa iyo because you are the person na pwedeng nakikitaan niya ng masaya siya sa sayo, sa ibinibigay mo sa kanya or na ipapakita mo sa kanya or kung ano yung mga meron ka. It's like yan yung bagay na gusto ko eh nasa iyo, parang nasa iyo yung mga bagay or buhay na gusto nitong taong to. So, emotions niyo sa isa't isa. Five of Diamonds is here. Emosyon niyo sa isa't isa. Two of Hearts. This is you, ha? Jack of Diamonds, okay. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Three of Hearts is at the bottom of the deck. Emosyon nitong taong ito para sa'yo. Anong sign to? Pasensya ka na may pagkaulyanin talaga. And this is, this is Libra. Okay. Alam mo, you're mirroring each other. You could be dealing with a twin flame or soulmate connection. Four of Hearts is at the bottom of the deck. Nagmi-mirror yung energy ninyo, guys. The Five of Diamonds, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng financially, alam mo, usaping financial eh. Pwedeng you're thinking about money and gusto mong baguhin or maayos yung finances mo. Yung iba sa inyo, maybe you want na makipag-partner dito sa person na to or be in a connection dito sa person na to wherein may involvement ng pera. The Three of Hearts, you want to reconcile, reconnect, communicate sa person na to. Gusto mo, you're really interested sa kanya. Interesado ka. And yung iba gusto ng relationship, let me clarify. Goes with Two of Hearts. Yeah. Three of Hearts is here. So, gusto mo, yung iba kung hindi naman relasyon, pwedeng friendship, but then may partnership. You see this person as the Six of Spades, like, kayang mag-balance sa'yo, and what's with the Two of Hearts? Itong person na to, gusto ka niya. There's a lot of love. Ten of Hearts and the King of Hearts. Queen of Hearts is here. So, I feel like itong person na to is already in love sa'yo. May emotions na dito eh. Mahal ka nitong taon to, but pwedeng may nagdidikta or may epal sa sorry for the word. It's just that may nagiging dahilan para hindi siya makapag-desisyon. You know. So what will happen in the near future for the both of you? In the near future for the both of you. Eight of diamonds, 10 of clover. You're really mirroring each other, guys. The 10 of clover nandito din sa side ng person mo. 3 of diamonds, 4 of diamonds. I can see money growth pagdating sa side ng person mo. The 9 of clover and the 10 of clover, I can see responsibility. I mean, ikaw din, may responsibility din ako nakikita sa'yo. But with the 8 of diamonds, I can see na mas mag-focus ka sa iyong career in the near future. And there's a new beginning na pwedeng maisipin mo regarding the 9 of hearts. The 9 of hearts is yung options sa buhay mo. Could be options na may kinalaman sa pera, new beginning na may kinalaman sa pera. And it could be something na, I mean, a lot of people is going to help you na ma-achieve itong 9 of diamonds. Which is, pwedeng this is accomplishment, this is money, this is success for you. Tapos may mga taong makakatulong sa'yo para ma-achieve yung success na yun. Itong person na to, I mean, there's a lot of responsibility para sa kanya, and medyo kasi ang pinagdidesisyon niya, ang hinahayaan niya magdesisyon dito is the person nakakonect niya, and that's weird. If you're dealing with someone in a relationship, I can see communication or connection sa inyo. Kung wala, I can see that yung iba kaya nahirapan mag-decide yung person na to because there's children or a child na involved sa connection niya and the other person na involved dito. But I can see na mahal ka talaga na itong taong to. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.